Ladies and gentlemen, today I'd like to talk about noise pollution. There's too much noise in our city. In some city, you can't even hear someone speaking next to you. Noise is hurting our health and hearing. We need to do something to reduce noise. We need new laws to police companies and individuals who make too much noise. Let's work together to reduce noise and create more peaceful environment. Thank you very much for the attention. See you soon. Bye bye.